You do.
No, I don't.
We're expecting Bryce to pop out any second now.
No.
We're at the temple.
Fish out of there.
How was it? Is there a weight in there? There's gonna be a fish on the end.
There's a rock. She's just gonna watch out.
Hurry up and pop the balloon.
Oh, I hate popping balloons.
Do you want my key? Oh.
I just don't want a big boom. Must be so cool.
They're in the car.
We won't be able to beat the timber. What the? I didn't even get these in here.
How did he get those in there? Nope, you can't read that. That's the next clue. Read the other one first.
Son of a...
I haven't even picked up on that right now.
Thanks for watching out for me.
I got you.
Slay your knee.
I got you.
I got you.
I got you. I love the smell of that fountain though. It's so pretty.
I love the temple, and I know you do too. I love that you love your Heavenly Father, the gospel, and your family. I can't wait to go to the temple with you one day and start our own journey. Can I put this down?
Dead. Oh, cute little couple in the background.
What? That'll be me one day. Really? I can't. It's like glued. Is this the plan that's supposed to... Ow, butter!
It's taking a really long time until you can show up. I don't get these two over here.
Oh my.
What is...
Get on it. That will not be like that.
That couple's making out over there. Seriously, they're just going at it.
What the? Now go home and relax a bit. There you'll find the special outfit and your final clue. Good luck.